GeoByte.
Hello students, welcome to GeoByte. In this video, let us discuss selective and important GK questions with answers for all types of competitive exams. These questions has been asked in competitive exams and there are chances to ask again in competitive exams. So these questions are very important. In this video, I'm going to discuss general knowledge questions on computer from general introduction topic, part 2. Moving to the question number 1. The central processing unit, CPU. Option A contains the electronic circuits that cause processing to occur. Option B makes the information resulting from processing available for use. Option C allows data programs, commands, and user responses to be entered into a computer. Option D consists of electronic components that store data. Option E none of these. And the correct answer is option B makes the information resulting from processing available for use. Moving to the question number 2. A collection of unprocessed items is option A information, option B data, option C memory, option D reports, option E none of these. And the correct answer is option B data. Unprocessed items is data, processed item is information. Moving to the question number 3. This component is required to process data into information and consists of integrated circuits. Option A hard disk, option B RAM, option C CPU, option D ROM, option E none of these. And the correct answer is option C CPU, Central Processing Unit, which is responsible for processing the data into information and which will consist of integrated circuits for processing these data. And option A is hard disk. Hard disk is for storing the information. And RAM also, it is a storage device. ROM is also a storage device. For processing the information, we are using CPU, Central Processing Unit. Next, moving to the question number 4. The function of CPU is dash. Option A to provide external storage of text. Option B to communicate with the operator. Option C to read, interpret and process the information and instruction. Option D assembler. Option E none of these. And the correct answer is option C to read, interpret and process the information and instruction. Moving to the question number 5. The part of the computer that coordinates all its functions is called its dash. Option A ROM program, option B system board, option C arithmetic logic unit, option D control unit, option E none of these. Here option A is ROM program. ROM program stores the information. So it is a wrong answer. Next, option B system board. System board will consist of different ICs and the connections between those ICs, memories, all those. Option C is arithmetic logic unit, which is responsible for performing all arithmetic and logical operations. And option D is control unit. So control unit is a part of a computer that coordinates all its functions. And next option is none of these. And the correct answer is option D, control unit. So control unit is a part of a computer that coordinates all its functions. Next, moving to the question number 6. Dash represents raw facts, whereas dash is meaningful data. Option A, information, reporting. Option B, data information. Option C, information, bits. Option D, records, bytes. Option E, none of these. And the correct answer is option B, data information. Data represents raw facts. Information represents processed raw facts. Moving to the question number 7. A computer executes programs in the sequence of option A, store, fetch, execute. Option B, fetch, decode, execute. Option C, execute, fetch, decode. Option D, decode, fetch, execute. Option E, none of these. And the correct answer is option B, fetch, decode, and execute. First, we need to search the programs in memory. After searching, we need to decode the programs. After decoding, we need to execute the programs. So, computer execute programs in the sequence of fetch, decode, and execute. Next, moving to the question number 8. Example of non-numeric data is dash. Option A, employee address. Option B, examination score. Option C, bank balance. Option D, all of these. Option E, none of these. Non-numeric data means which does not contain any numeric information. So here employee address is consists of only characters. When it comes to the examination score, which is a number means numeric data. And bank balance is a number, again it is a numeric data. And the correct answer is option A, employee address. Next, moving to the question number 9. The term GIGO is related to option A, accuracy. Option B, automatic. Option C, flexibility. Option D, versatility. Option E, none of these. GIGO stands for garbage in, garbage out. That implies bad input will result in bad output. So it is a term which is related to accuracy. And the correct answer is option A, accuracy. Next, moving to the question number 10. Dash is the process of carrying out commands. Option A, fetching. Option B, storing. Option C, decoding. Option D, executing. Option E, none of these. And the correct answer is executing. So executing is the process of carrying out commands. Next, moving to the question number 11. Which of the following is not the major function of a computer? Option A, processing data into information. Option B, storing data or information. Option C, gathering data. Option D, analyzing data or information. Option E, none of these. And the correct answer is option D, analyzing data or information. Next, moving to the question number 12. Computers manipulate data in many ways, and this manipulation is called option A, utilizing, option B, batching, option C, upgrading, option D, processing, option E, none of these. And the correct answer is option D, processing. Next, moving to the question number 13. The information you put into the computer is called option A, directory, option B, facts, option C, data, option D, files, option E, output. And the correct answer is option C, data. Next, moving to the question number 14. Dash is data that has been organized or presented in a meaningful fashion. Option A process. Option B, storage. Option C, software. Option D, information. Option E, none of these. And the correct answer is option D, information. Thank you for watching. Let me know how many questions you answered correctly. Please do comment. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to GeoByte.
GeoByte.